Years ago, I got involved with Advanced Mopping Systems. They're a company based in the UK, but they import all the mops etc. from Pakistan. The product I've brought today is called a reclaim mop. What we do, your standard mops, right? When the clothes on your back, right? When they cut the pattern out of the big sheet, you've got all these little bits of waste. They just throw them to one side and keep throwing them to one side. And that waste, which is good quality cotton material and other materials, either goes into landfill or it's burnt in open pits in Pakistan. So the impact on the environment there is huge, right? We basically take that waste, drag it back into fibres, wash it because it needs to be washed because it could be stood outside for days and weeks, etc. Then turn it back into yarn, and from that yarn we make the mops.
In terms of entering today, has it been a relatively easy process to enter?
Well, I was actually surprised. I mean, yes, it really was. It was an email came through because I'm linked to lots of organisations out there, and this came around, and I had a read, and I thought, I'm going to go for this. So there was no set brief. I just sent an email with information. Lo and behold, an email came back, said, can you come down and see us on the 22nd of January?
Perfect. And getting involved in these events, do you think it raises credibility of your product?
I hope so. Let's be honest, I want to raise the ante on it.
Yeah.
There's not another mop manufacturer out there making floor mops from waste product.
So
It's uniquely, and the whole thing is, the simplest ideas for innovations are normally the best.
Yeah.
And it's just so simple. You've got a product which is, it is a waste product, but you're regenerating it, you're giving it another life.
It sounds excellent, and I've sat in, and there's loads of products. I'd love to have seen the presentation, but we'll get a debrief later on. We'll get a debrief. But I just wanted to say thanks so much from our point of view, taking the time to get. Wish you all the best.
Okay, thank you.
And a good journey.